Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Christina over at In the Midst of Blessings tagged me in a summer mom tag for the year 2020. And so it's just a couple, about 10 questions for moms, what they do in summer and stuff like that. So I'm going to tag Jackie Brown, and I'm also, if you're watching this video, I'm tagging you too, if you're interested in doing it. So if you do decide you're going to join in and take part, leave me a comment down below. I would love to be able to go and watch your video and just see your answers. So let's go ahead and get started. So question number one is what is one thing you love to do in the summer? I like swimming. That's really swimming and staying inside in the air conditioner. There's not much I do during the summer because it's so hot. So swimming is my favorite. We don't have a pool or really any easy access to a pool, so we don't ever go. But swimming is my favorite summer thing, or going to the beach. That's fun too. Number two is summer your favorite season? If not, then what is? Summer is absolutely not my favorite season. Me and heat, like summer heat, we don't do good together. We are horrible. Even growing up, if I got too hot, I would get really sick, and it still happens to this day. If I stay outside too long, or if I'm just too hot outside, I end up getting sick. So me and summer clash. We don't do good together, so I dislike summer really bad. Yeah, if summer's not your favorite, what is? It's either spring or fall, because it's cooler those days, and spring, all the flowers are starting to bloom and everything's just starting to turn green. And then fall, everything is starting to just die off and turn colors to just gorgeous fall colors. They're so pretty. But spring and fall are my two favorites. What is your favorite vacation spot to enjoy in the summer? The beach. Right now we're about, a long way, probably like 16, 18 hours from the beach, so it takes a long time to get there. But we went last year for the first time for our family vacation. Like, ever since having the kids, it was our first vacation since our honeymoon, which was almost 6 years ago. Well, it's past 6 years ago now, but when we took the vacation to the beach in September, it was almost 6 years. Oh, it was wonderful. I wanted to go back so bad. So many just good memories we had. The kids absolutely had a blast. They loved it. Caleb's already asked to go back quite a few times. So the beach is definitely our favorite place to vacation in the summer. What is your favorite hairstyle in the summer? Ponytails, messy buns, anything that keeps my hair off my neck. Like right now, yes, I took my hair down to try to make it look nice for the video, but I don't think it really did. But ponytails, messy buns, like I said, anything that keeps it off the neck so I just stay cooler and just not so stuffy and hot with my hair down. This is actually the first time in a long time I've had long hair in the summer. I am still growing my hair out, so usually I just chop it off during the summer. So it's been a while since I've actually had long hair in the summer. But it's still going to be ponytails or messy buns. What are your summer must-haves? We have one of the little hard shell Walmart pools, the teeny tiny $10 ones. We have those for the kids. And honestly, those are probably my only summer must-haves. Just so the kids do get to play in the water, and they kind of get to swim, because like I said, we don't have a pool. I do want to get a pool one day, but we're not there yet. So right now we just have like the 1 foot deep pool for them to play in, and they love it. Spaghetti strap t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts, shorts, just typical summer stuff. I don't necessarily have any summer must-haves. So what type of food do you prefer to eat in the summer? Probably salads, or just food that does not heat up the whole house when I cook it, and food that's just easy. Like soups are really a no-go in summer because They're hot, and when you eat them, you get hot, and it's just not fun to eat soups in the summer, although chili is amazing. We just don't ever make it in the summer. What book or genre is your favorite to read during the season? My types of books I read don't change throughout the year. Self-help books, fantasy, sci-fi, sometimes like history books or like history-based fantasy. Just anything that sparks my interest. I'm totally a person who judges the book by its cover, and if the book looks interesting to me, I do get it and I read it. So just whatever happens to catch my eye is what I'll be reading. Share a memorable summertime incident. It's not necessarily one, it's just whenever growing up we would go down to the local lake and swim as a family. I have fond memories of doing that. We would always do that quite often. We just load up the car, or the van, load up the van, pack a picnic, and just drive out to the lake area and go swimming. And like, swimming it's just so fun. There's something fun about swimming, and swimming in a lake when there's nothing nasty is even better. Is there anything you dislike about summer? Yes, that goes back to my answer for question 2, I think it was. The heat, the bugs, the humidity, the heat. That's what I don't like about summer. Name one place where you want to spend the whole summer. It'd probably, I don't know, it'd be somewhere overseas, probably like Britain or Ireland or just somewhere like that, because those places have always been somewhere where I've wanted to visit, and they're really cool, and it's somewhere far away where I've never been, and it is somewhere where I would love to travel and visit one day. And that was the last question. So I want to say thanks for stopping by. If you do decide to join in and participate, like I said, leave a comment down below and I will definitely come and check out your video. I look forward to seeing your answers, and I will see you guys in the next one.